Ooh.
And then the synth as well, and all the speakers all around it. It's going to sound amazing.
It's going to sound wicked. I like the fact so you can turn off all the MIDI and then it's like the machine finishes the piece off itself.
Yeah.
I quite like that.
Yeah, yeah, it's really fun.